Chardo. I'm Director of Services Marketing for Legrand Building Control Systems, and I am pleased to talk about our new connected services launch here at LIGHTFAIR this week. So we're really excited to be introducing this offering, which is designed to help our customers resolve a lot of pain points that exist installing our lighting control systems. So let me show you a couple examples. So when we talk about the value proposition and what's in it for our customers, we started off by talking to several electrical contractors to understand what are the real pain points they experience during the startup phase. And the big ones are the general lack of product knowledge. They're not the expert on our system, okay, and they're usually pressed for time to read instructions, and they're under the gun to get things started up. And a lot of times the devices aren't wired properly, and so as a result, when we get there for startup, it takes longer than it should, and as a result, the certificate of occupancy gets delayed, and then it's just frustration for everybody all around. So we said, hey, if we can use technology inside the installation and the startup, and then through that first year warranty process, how can we help them? And so what we are doing is we're adding a modem to our equipment inside of our cabinet, and I'll talk about that in a second. And then we're doing site readiness checks and device checks to make sure that the equipment's connected properly before we get on site for the startup. And then the other big one is after the startup, there's always a bunch of punch list items that need to be resolved. And with this technology, we can do about 90% of the things that we used to require a technician to do on site, we can now do remotely, which is going to make the experience a lot better for our electrical contractors and then ultimately our customers. Okay, so let me talk a little bit about the technology. What we're doing is adding a cellular 4G modem inside our network enclosure cabinet, and the big differentiator here is that we are not on the customer's IT network. To provide this remote support, we do not need to be on the customer's network, which we all know is a major issue for most companies' IT departments. So we've got a solution where through our segment manager, we're connected to a private lighting control network, and all of our devices are connected in through routers that we can then access separately from the network. If the customer wants to be on the network, there's another port that they can access to do that, and it's no issue as far as our connectivity. Okay, let's talk about what else is different and truly unique in the industry about this solution. So if we look at what we're calling our first year enhanced warranty, or RACSIS, RACSIS stands for remote access. That's the part number for the solution. What we're doing is providing the modem, the antenna, a 1-year cellular service plan, and then bundling all the services in terms of a special 800 number to call our remote operations center, and services to provide diagnostic support, remote configuration and remote programming support, and so forth throughout that first year. And no other manufacturer is offering this, and we think we're really unique putting this all together for our customers. Okay, so let's talk about a real example of what we can do with the remote technology. So we had a situation where a contractor called us up, they were finishing up the startup, and the customer was getting ready to move into the space. And so we got a call, and literally they were checking out the CEO's office, and the lighting loads were programmed to the wrong buttons. And so they called our remote operations center, and we went in and accessed the system, and we were able to reprogram the loads to the buttons, send those programming changes through the cloud over the cellular modem, and then immediately fix the problem to the contractor's delight, and really, solve problems immediately that could have taken a long time to get a technician out to the site, or to find a person that was able to do the programming for them. And so in the contractor's own words, they said, hey, you would have to be nuts not to use this solution from Legrand BCS. We're really excited about the program. It's got the combination of security, the remote support to address immediate problems, with lighting control systems. And then the first year enhanced warranty that we're offering is truly unique in the industry. And we're really excited about this solution. We think it's going to be a real winner in the marketplace. We've gotten great reception here at LIGHTFAIR. So for more information, check out Connected Services on our www.legrand.us webpage, and we hope to be talking to you soon. Thank you.